Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today we are going to unbox, quick check, and install na rin our new mini driving light from Zenlo. This is actually the Zenlo X1 Plus. Nabili ko sa Shopee for around 2,949. Included na po yung harness and switch button from Zenlo. As a provincial buyer, na-appreciate po namin yung mga ganitong packaging na sobrang secured, kasi alam mo naman, di natin hawak yung pag-handle ng mga parcels natin. So this one is the harness. Check natin. By the way guys, sold separately po ito. This is the harness itself, as you can see, and this one is the switch button. This one, the harness, is sold separately. May option po kayo na hindi mo bumili ng harness. And ito naman yung switch. Usually nakapackage po siya sa X1 mini driving light or sa Zenlo na mga mini driving light. Ito po yung X1 Plus by Zenlo. As you can see, sealed po siya. And may mga other models po siya: X1A, X1ES, X1, X1S, and X1 Plus. Okay, maganda yung packaging. And here's the mini driving light itself. Actually, ang liit lang niya guys. Ayan o. Around 2 inches. 2 inches by 1.5. Maliit lang siya guys. Ito yung isa. And check natin yung mga kasama. Yung brackets, dalawang brackets, and yung wirings na kasama sa Zenlo. Okay. Bumili na rin po ako ng bracket for sa T-post. Nag-search po ako before ako bumili, and approved naman po ito sa LTO. I mean, approved po sa LTO yung T-post na mounting. And ito po yung nabili ko sa Shopee for around 430 pesos. 330, I think 330 plus shipping, around 430, ganun. Anyway, maganda yung pagkagawa niya, and stainless. Okay, install natin and try natin mamaya. Na-install na po namin yung Zenlo X1 Plus. This is actually the first time na gagamitin natin siya. Hanap lang tayo ng magandang spot na pwede nating paggamitan. This is actually the low beam. I think dito is the perfect place. Okay, this is actually the This is actually the stack light, high beam, low beam, and Zenlo X1 Plus, that is the low beam and stack light high beam, and Zenlo X1 Plus high beam. Yan, very day and night difference, and hindi siya ma-vibrate kahit sa T-post nakalagay, as you can see. And hindi na nakikita yung stack light na high beam. Passing light hindi na masyadong nakikita. Grabe, ang laki ng tulong. Wow. Low beam. Grabe, day and night. Off. High beam. Grabe. I'm so happy. Low beam. Wow. Stack light low beam and Zenlo low beam. Wow. High beam. Woo! Lubak no more. Anyway guys, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Ride safe. Bye bye.